Well, you can earn $5 per day watching videos for free to make money online in this episode of Money Horn. So see and stay tuned with this video till the end, and I will show you how you can easily earn $5 per day watching videos. But you have to spend some times. You may have some spare times every day. We spend on social media and videos every day, so why not earn money with that? So without wasting any more time, I'm going to the site we are talking about is called zoombucks.com. Yes, we are on zoombucks.com homepage, and you can see that you can earn money in different kinds of ways besides watching videos. So they provide surveys. This is a survey, mainly survey site, and they provide lots of surveys. You can complete it, and they have also some definitely good paid money offers, and you can just watch TV or videos and you can earn money. So we want to verify that this site space and this site is legit and trusted. So we go over to the trustpilot.com, and you can see that I have searched it for like here, and Zoombucks having a rating of 4.7 on Trustpilot. This is really awesome. It's a very good and excellent site and trusted site. Trustpilot doesn't tell a lie. So simply this site works, this site space, this site is a legit site to work with every day to earn a decent amount of money every day and every month. So without wasting any more time, when you just go over to this website, they have just simply free to join. Just enter your email password and hit sign up, and you're good to go. When you sign up, you just complete it. They will confirm your email address. So you just go over to email and confirm it by clicking that confirmation button, and you're going to the home page of site, and this is the page when you will go into after you signed up. So when you sign up, you will see something like this. They have surveys and earns offers. So they have lots of surveys. You can do it, but today we emphasize on videos. So we go over to the video section. So this in the home page, we do not see the videos. So in the left side menu, you can see that there is a watch sections here. So survey, watch, and offers. They have only three options right now. So watch sections, you just click on this watch section, that will open this page. You can see they have a tutorial video. You can click on it to learn about how to work with this. And but if you just scroll down, you can see that they have Hideout TV and Bluetooth. So these all are really good earning video sites. So by watching videos, earn money online sites. So simply go over to Hideout and Bluetooth, and you may have to have an account there to earn money. But throwing Zoombucks, they will give you a tunnel to earn money from Hideout and Bluetooth. So you just go over to Hideout. You can see that every 3 videos you watch on there on basis of viewing ads, they will give you 7 points for it, and Lootplay going to give you 5 points for this. So simply this is it, guys. If you just simply go over to and watch those videos, you do not have to even stay in front of your device or computer or TV or mobile phone every time. Just run it one time, and it will automatically playing videos after videos for you, and you are not doing anything, and it's just a hands-free, just passive way. So simply just let the PC running, or let your mobile phone running in the background, and in the videos will play after one another. So that will accumulate points to your points account, and without any problem, per 3 videos it will like some 1 to 1.5 minutes of works. It's simply like that, and in every 1 minute of work you will get like 7 points. So in every hour, if you just stay your device on for an hour, like you will get like 300 points, and 300 points per hour. And if you just spend some couple of hours in every day, you do not have to stay in front of your device. So what's the problem? You can run it for 24 hours and you can make money with it. So simply just run the device and watch those videos, and you will get like something like 2,000, 3,000, even 5,000 points every day. And what makes these 5,000 points? If you just go over to the reward sections, you can see that they have a reward sections in the left side and get cards and cash. If you click on that, it will load this page, and you can see that how you can cash out your points to money. So you can see that they have some cards options, Visa cards. You can also get some game coins as well. So simply we are emphasizing on PayPal. So if I just click on PayPal, this will load something like this, and the minimum is $5, and it requires 5,000 points, 5,150 points for equals to $5. And you can see I already show you how you can easily earn 5,000 daily. So you can make $5 per day just by leaving your PC on or your smartphone on and watching videos every day. And this is the thing here. You can just simply, when you reach out 5,150 points, you can just go here and ask for the reward, and it will be on your PayPal within 1 day. So simply this site pays. This site is a trusted site. This site is going to earn you money and a handsome amount of pocket money just beside of your daily work. So simply you do not have to work, you just have to work passively. Just one time you just on it and you are boom, you are good to go. But simply the catch is, if you live in a tier 1 countries, Hideout TV and Lootably is looking for tier 1 countries. So if you live in a USA, UK, Australia and New Zealand and some countries like this, they provide values to them, and these are the targeted audience they want. Hideout TV and Lootably always wants this type of tier 1 countries peoples to watch their videos. And this is it, guys. You simply just go over and watch it, and if you live in those countries, you are good to go. You are in good positions and to earn a decent amount of money just passively. You do not have to work actively. You just go on, open your device and just open those video tabs. If you click on it, it will open a tab, a separate window for you, and it will automatically play your videos one after another for the day long, day out. So simply when they have a video, they will show you automatically, and you will get paid pay points automatically to your account. And when you have 5,000 points, you just simply go on and just simply ask for PayPal payout, and it will be on your PayPal account in no time. So this is it, guys. You can earn a decent amount of money with Zoom bucks without any problem. So earning $5 is just a amount. It's just an amount. It's a minimum amount. They have for offers, they have surveys. You can see in it, if you complete those, you can multiply your earning opportunities, and by just completing, simply downloading some apps or watching some videos or playing some games, you can just multiply your earning as well. So this is it, guys. If you're liking this video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.